Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video about removing the pop-up scam and fake security alerts that are associated with the site Kipons.xyz. Some people see these pop-ups by Kipons.xyz. It is absolutely certain that these pop-ups are fake. They are really deceptive. They try to make you scared about the situation with your computer. And this is all done in order to force you into downloading some potentially unwanted program. These pop-ups by Kipons.xyz claim to be coming from the well-known security program, but this is absolutely not true. These pop-ups are fake and deceptive. Don't trust them. Just leave this page. Also, we would recommend that you research your computer additionally, because the system could be additionally burdened by some possibly hidden malware. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to effectively detect and eliminate such possibly hidden malware or adware or other threats. Get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the software, and start researching your device. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.